Hello, today I'm gonna tell you about one of my favorite districts in London. Canary-Uorf is a business district in the east part of London. The block is located on the Isle of Dogs, belonging to the borough of Tower Hamlets. Canary-Uorf is the main competitor of the historic financial and business centre of the British capital, the City of London. Before the commissioning of the Shard skyscraper in 2012, there were three tallest buildings in London, as well as in the UK. 1 Canada Square, 8 Canada Square and the City Group Centre. The population is approximately 75,000 people. Canary-Uorf is a borough like our Moscow city, like a city within a city. It has its own developed infrastructure, offices, cafes, shops, a shopping centre, a nice ring, and so on. There are a lot of young and successful people living here. When I was walking along the embankment, I saw a couple who starred in a popular British reality show on Netflix. They live here too. Opposite our house, the O2 Stadium is visible across the Thames. This is a large stadium in London where the coolest concerts take place. When there was a storm Eunice on February 18, part of Stretch roof was turned off at the stadium. It was such a strong hurricane. Not far from the O2 Stadium is the Greenwich Borough, which is famous for being the zero reference point of the longitude and time zones of the globe. The prime meridian is historically associated with the Greenwich Observatory. And now I'd like to show you a short video from TikTok about how the Canary-Uorf district changed and was built through the years.